Now I am showing the demonstration of mobile attendance system. Here you will find the icon of the eTimeTracker. Okay, now it will ask you the company code, username and password. Now I am writing here company code. So for your company, that company code will be created, and here you have to type the user ID, then next will be the password. So if you press the login, then you will get the dashboard. After getting the dashboard, now you will get the so many icons. My login is the currently that is the admin login, so it is showing the some little bit more icons. So if you are login with employee login, so you will get only the mark attendance, attendance history, and location tracking and profile and ID card. I am login with admin login or manager login, so I am getting the some extra menus, that is the your team, team attendance and approval. So first of all, when you initially login in the software, so first of all you have to go in profile, right? So here initially you have to set your profile, means first of all you have to register your face. So now I am registering my face in the mobile application. So here just you see the update your face. Okay, so I am getting the message face registered successfully. So face is registered. Now here showing is the pending face verification. So see, if you are the employee, then this face, your face will go to the your manager or admin for the verification, right? So here as a admin, here is the extra menu, that is the approval. So first of all we will see how face is approved. So here is the face approval. So here I am getting the detail which face I have registered just now, right? So here I am getting the face. So admin has right to reject or accept the face, right? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, so I can reject the face also. If I am rejecting the face, then I have to give any remark how why I am rejecting this particular face. Otherwise I will accept the face. So after accepting the face, now that face is registered and the employees can mark their in and out attendance in the mobile application. As a admin or manager, I can see which face is registered by which manager or which admin. So that is also given in verified faces. So this is the first step, and after that even any employee can download their ID card also, right? So here automatically you will get the ID card. If you press the download ID card button, then automatically it will go into the gallery of your mobile, and now you can send anywhere as a ID card. You can use this screen as the ID card of the employees. Now I am going to the main menu. So here main menu will appear, and the initial first procedure is the mark attendance. So if you press the button mark attendance, right, so application, right, will locate your location. So here you will get the location, and now I am putting the mark in. Again I am trying to the mark in. Okay, now attendance is marked, face is masked, right? So here face is marked, and same I can do the mark in, mark out. When your first is, shift is started, then automatically you will get the mark in. When you go out, then again you can do the mark out. So this is the procedure of day procedure of the mark in, mark out, again mark in and mark out, like that. If a particular employee want to see his attendance history, so now that particular person can go into the attendance history, and here the attendance history will show, and that is for a particular employee only, right? So here you get the latest location, here you will get the your shift detail, and here you can see the calendar, what is the mark in, mark out, and even after you can go back, and next day or next month you can see the your attendance history in the application, right? Any doubt?
Yes, do we have geofencing? I saw there was a geofencing feature, but I was not able to see it here.
Right. Actually, on this particular ID, on my ID, there is currently there is no geofencing. But if suppose geofencing is applicable, then what will be happen when I will do the mark in or mark attendance? Then automatically it will locate the my work area. And if suppose I am out of my work area, then I am not able to mark my mark in or mark out. That feature is already in the software.
Okay.
Even I will show later key means how is the geofencing work. The geofencing is nothing but that is the one area we can define in the application, latitude or longitude. Beyond that area, this application will not allow mark in or mark out. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the first button is the mark attendance. Here employee can mark their attendance, mark in and mark out. Attendance history, that is only for the employees. If employee can see right now on attendance on calendar also. And there is the one extra button, that is the detail. If you see the detail, so in detail you will get the today's your attendance here. Suppose the current month is the April 2025. So here in April 2025, what are the number of days you are present, absent, late, leave, holiday, weekly off, that will show on the dashboard. This is the mark attendance just I have done here. So this is the location. For this particular mark in, if I want to add any remark, any kind of remark, means for example why I am doing the late attendance, or any kind of remark, if I am I want to add, so I add the remark in this particular section, and it will show to the my manager or my admin.
Okay.
Right. And next is the so for a employee, the button is only the mark attendance, attendance history, profile and ID card. Now my login is the admin login, so I can see the even entire my team, what are the team under working with me. So for example, if suppose I want to see number of employees working under me, so I can select the button your team. So here I can see the entire my team, right? And entire team also I can see the my team details branch wise also. So here is the total branches, I can see the branches. For example, now this is the total employee including all branches, and if I want to select any particular branch, so here I can see the what are the employees belongs on in that particular branch only. Even in that particular branch, if I want to search any employee, so with different criteria, name, code or department, I can search a particular employee also. Okay, any question or any doubt in this?
No.
Okay, so here is the team. Even you can see the detail, what is the employee code, designation, department, branch, email and contact number. The one of the fantastic feature is directly I can connect or dial my with my phone to my in this particular employee. If I press this particular button, then automatically call will go to that particular employee. Even I can mail directly from here, right now.
Okay.
This feature is also enabled. Even for example, if I want to see the total attendance of this particular employee. For example, suppose this is the employee. If I want to see the attendance of this particular employee as a manager or as a admin, so if I press the button attendance, so I can see the my employee detail, and here I will get the April month, that is the what are the number of present days, absent days, late, leave, each and everything. Now this is the 21st April, so the mark in, now mark out is not done till now, right? And this is the entire April 2025 attendance that I can see on the calendar. And one of the fantastic feature is even I can select any date. For example, now today is the 21st April. If I want to see the mark in and mark out time of this particular employee, for example on 15th April, so I can select the 15th. So here you will get the 15th April, and this employee in time was the 8:17 and out time was the 8:06 p.m. Right now total number of working hours on that particular day, that was the 11 hours 49 minutes, right now. So we can see, and the latest mark and location of the employees, that is also I can see the shift detail of that particular employee. So this feature is given under the your team button,
Okay.
right?
Okay, and this is only available for admins and managers.
Yes, this button is available only for the manager and admin, that is not available for the employees.
Okay.
Okay, now for the managers, the another button is the team attendance. Okay, if you press the team attendance, so for today I can see the my total strength including all branches, that is the total number of employees, present employees, absent employees, and number of late employees. Okay, so here I can see the key today's mark in and name of the employees, employee code, mark in time, and their location from where they have marked their attendance, right? Even the feature is key, now suppose for example the number is the 355. Okay, and here is the all branches. If I want to see key so that number is the total of all branches. If I select any particular branch, for example I am selecting this particular branch, so it means what, on that particular branch there is the only 5 employees, 4 employees are present, 1 employee is absent. So from here I can select any branch and I can see the team attendance branch wise also. Okay, any doubt?
No.
Okay, so even I can sort by the branch wise also. Even I can now today is the 21st April.
Okay.
If I want to see the my team attendance any different date, for example suppose in the month of March I want to see what are the employees present for all branches on the 20th March. So just I will select the 20th March. So here you can see the key date was 20th March. Okay, so on this particular branch there was the 5 employees, 4 present and 1 absent. Even I can see the all branches. So all branches will show on the 20th March, right now. So this is the mark out, and here you can see the downside mark in also. So mark in, mark out, that you can see on this particular date. Accordingly I can select any date, right?
So,
now
for how far we can go?
so from where you have started your application, right now, for example just 2-3 years back, if suppose you have started your application, so I can start by date on that particular date, and there is no limit. You can go means maybe the past or maybe the any other date. No doubt you can't go into the future. Okay, so till date you can see, for example today is the 21st April, so you can select the 21st, right? And if suppose you have started your software just 2-3 years back, so you can select any date. If suppose my software is started for example anywhere, so in my database if you see, so I have started when I have started punching on this application, so that we can see here. So here the I can start by the branch wise and I can select any date. Even in a particular branch, if suppose I am selecting any particular branch, right now. So even I can select the search the employee by name, by code, or by location also. That feature is also there.
Okay.
Okay, any question?
No.
Okay, now we have seen ki mark attendance, attendance history, your team attendance, even approval. Now the next and fantastic feature is the location tracking, right? If I press this button, location tracking, so this is the real time location that I can find out where is my employees. For example, if this is the location, this is the Google map, and now you can see the here employee details, and their face is shown in the on the map. And if suppose I am selecting any particular employee, for example I am selecting this particular employee, so I can find out the track, means from where he has started, from mark in to mark out. I can see the entire path, right? So for example, if you see, so you can see the entire path, right? For example, you can see, so entire traveling history that will be recorded and that will be stored on the server. Even if you scroll here, right now, so here you will get the employee detail, right? So employee name, code, branch, and department also. And today he has traveled approximately 75.9 kilometer, right now. Even main point tracking details also, that will be recorded in the application. So accordingly you can select any employee, you will get the tracking details of that particular employee. Okay, so in case of any employees who is starting their duty, means from some location and going somewhere for delivery or any kind of things, it may be the marketing person or any kind of things, so you can see the entire path from where you have started their attendance, and you can find out ki today what are the number of kilometers he has traveled. And that particular thing is also available here. You can also search the employees by location, even search by date also.
Okay.
Now I am seeing that tracking on this date, but if I want to see for example, suppose I am taking any month March or even April, any other date, for example 10th April, so my date will set by the 10th April. On 10th April, if I want to see this particular employee, what is the travel history of this particular employee, so I can see here how he has started their traveling from mark in to mark out. So the most important thing, we can capture the location or tracking only in between mark in and mark out.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
To protect the privacy, of course.
to protect the privacy. And also, if suppose location tracking is enabled, and if suppose some employees started marking, so application will ask and to allow the location and tracking to their manager or admin. So only in that case we can track their entire journey in between mark in and mark out.
Okay.
Okay, any other question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now so this is the entire application, and after any moment if suppose admin or manager want to see the attendance of their employees, so the main button is the team attendance, means there is no need to generate any report or something like that. So directly you can see by date, by branch, by employee, so the facility is available. And if you set any particular date, it may be the daily, weekly, or any particular day, so automatically you will get the month reports. So accordingly you can generate your salary. And after that, if you want to, there is no need for the logout, but if you want to do if you want to log out, so there is the button in profile menu. If you press the logout, so automatically you will log out from the application. Okay.
Okay, sir.